Hey everyone, let's jump right into this explainer. If you're dealing with chronic skin barrier breakdown, you're probably fed up with temporary fixes and feel like you've tried absolutely everything on the market. Well, today, I'm giving you the bottom line right up front. The definitive natural solution is what we call the Thymoquinone shield. We're going to break down a precise 30-day protocol that doesn't just put a band-aid on the problem, but literally rebuilds your skin's defensive armor from the inside out and the outside in.
But before we get into the exact mechanics of that shield, I gotta ask you something. Are you waking up to the 3 a.m. itch? Seriously, think about that for a second. If you're someone, especially, a guy over 50, who suddenly jolts awake at 3 a.m. in the pitch dark, helplessly scratching your arms, your elbows, or your neck completely raw, well, you know exactly the sensory pain I'm talking about. It's totally exhausting, right? It wrecks your sleep, and it leaves your skin damaged before your day even begins. That relentless burning itch isn't just an annoyance. It is a desperate, blaring alarm from your body telling you that your skin barrier is fundamentally broken. So what's the actual fix here? Like I mentioned right at the start, the solution is definitely not to groggily stumble into the bathroom, grab yet another tube of temporary steroid cream, and just cross your fingers that it goes away. Steroid creams, they're just temporary bandages. Instead, we absolutely have to build the ultimate biological defense, the Thymoquinone shield. We're talking about using a wildly powerful biological compound found in blackseed oil to actually physically rebuild your skin's armor. To pull this off, we really have to understand the root cause of all this misery. And I want you to listen closely to this specific term. It's called localized oxidative stress. I'm going to say that one more time because it's absolutely crucial. Localized oxidative stress. You see, eczema isn't just quote-unquote dry skin. No way. It is a severe, localized state of inflammation that systematically breaks down the structural integrity of your skin barrier. Your skin is effectively under siege from this oxidative stress, and the mortar holding your skin cells together, it's just crumbling away. So to fix it, you've got to neutralize that inflammation directly at the source. And that brings us to, without a doubt, the single most important number you're going to hear today, 1.2%. The active antioxidant compound inside blackseed oil that actually targets those inflammatory pathways is called thymoquinone. But here's the catch. You can't just guess your dosage and hope for the best. To actually trigger real biological skin healing and shut down that oxidative stress we just talked about, you need an exact clinical standard. You require precisely 1.2% thymoquinone.
And honestly, this perfectly illustrates this massive trap that so many people fall into when they try natural remedies. On one hand, you've got your generic grocery store black seed oil, stuff you just grab off the shelf, but it only contains trace amounts of the active compound. If you use that, you're merely lubricating your skin. You're definitely not healing it. On the other hand, you have the clinical standard of 1.2% thymoquinone. That is the targeted clinical dose that triggers actual barrier repair. This is exactly why the clinical literature heavily emphasizes finding sources that guarantee exactly 1.2% thymoquinone in every single drop, like the Amazing Herbs protocol we're looking at today. Because remember, anything less is just an overpriced moisturizer.
Okay, so you've got your hands on the right clinical compound. Now, how do we actually use it? Because you can't just chug a bottle of this oil and magically expect your skin to fix itself, right? It actually requires a highly structured, mandatory two-pronged attack. It's a 30-day dual-action protocol. Step 1 is the internal dose, and Step 2 is the topical shield. Let's break down exactly how you need to execute both of these steps flawlessly. Let's start with Step 1, the internal dose. The mechanics here are crucial. You need to take 1 teaspoon of the 1.2% thymoquinone oil twice a day. But here is the secret sauce that makes this actually work. You must take it with healthy fats. We're talking Greek yogurt, maybe half an avocado, or even just a quick drizzle of olive oil. Why? Well, because thymoquinone is a fat-soluble compound. If you don't take it with a fat source, it just won't successfully cross your gut lining. But when you do pair it with fat, it enters your bloodstream and circulates straight to your damaged skin, healing it from the inside out. Now let's talk about Step 2, the topical shield. This is where you're going to get that immediate relief. So after your evening shower, while your skin is still slightly damp, which, by the way, really helps lock in moisture, you're going to apply 4 to 5 drops of the oil directly onto your eczema patches. You just massage it in gently for about 15 seconds, and then, this is super important, you have to let it sit and absorb for 20 solid minutes before you even think about putting your regular moisturizer over it. Because it's so highly concentrated that thymoquinone absorbs straight down into the dermis, and it shuts down that localized burning and itching sensation almost instantly. It's a real game changer. All right, now I want to strip away the complex science for just a second and give you the hard truth that the supplement industry almost never tells you. This is not going to happen overnight. Think of this as your 30-day integrity check. Your skin barrier did not break down overnight. It took months, maybe even years, of that localized oxidative stress to cause that agonizing 3 a.m. itch. Therefore, it is absolutely not going to rebuild overnight. You have to put in the time.
And the biological reason for this strict timeline comes down to your epidermal layer. That is the outermost armor of your skin. The clinical anti-inflammatory effects of thymoquinone require a strict, completely uninterrupted 30-day timeline to weave those protective cells back together and rebuild the strength of that epidermal layer. I seriously cannot stress this enough. You must apply the topical dose every single night. If you get lazy and skip a day, you disrupt the entire healing cascade. You literally reset the healing clock entirely back to zero. You have to commit to this process.
But let's look at what actually happens when you do commit. On day 1, sure, you're starting with an inflamed, completely broken skin barrier. It's rough, it's red, and it's painful. But stick with it. By day 15 of flawless execution, taking your internal dose with healthy fats and applying your topical shield, you will notice the redness actively beginning to fade. Those rough patches will start to recede. And by day 30, that's the big payoff. You are left with a smooth, fully reinforced thymoquinone shield. Your eczema recedes, and, most importantly, that agonizing 3 a.m. itching, it stops permanently. So if you are finally ready to break out of that endless, frustrating steroid cream cycle, just drop the word skin in the comments below. I'll get you the direct link to the exact 1.2% thymoquinone bottle that guarantees this protocol actually works. But before we wrap up, I want to leave you with this one thought. If a simple, natural, fat-soluble compound can rebuild your body's literal armor in just 30 days, what other quote-unquote permanent conditions have we been treating entirely wrong? Protect your barrier, take control of your healing, and I'll see you in the next explainer.